Good morning, everybody. So today is a new day, Saturday, the weekend. Some of you are off. You've been working hard all week. Not me. I'm still working today, but I'm glad to be back in my little corner of my bedroom, not in the dungeon office with that old computer. Technology is not really my friend. I'm trying, ladies. I'm trying. If my videos are crappy, I'm sorry, okay? I'm learning. I'm a virgin. It's one day, probably day 215, it'll be working smooth. All these videos will be fabulous, okay? So today, this is ugly, but we're just gonna throw it up anyways. I was at Claire's the other day and they have those foam things that you can make a bun, and I saw this little half foam thing for you to be able to roll your hair up in. And I'm like, why do you need to spend $10 on a half foamy roll-up thing? Like, if it's really bad, you could do like all the other girls do and get that freaking bandana and roll your hair up into that. Some girls just do it like this, pin it up and call it a day. But I'm going to show you how I do it. I usually kind of like a little bit of a mess, so I'll back comb through my hair just to get a little bit of volume in my roll. And I'll roll the sides first and then I'll get to the back after. So, and all you do is just twist it up, ladies. It's easy, it's simple. You know how I like to pull it, fatten it out. And I usually just stop right there. Stop! Collaborate and listen. Put my little pins in. You know how I like to do it. Open it up. I put them in just this way. I'll do two just to kind of secure it. Put it in there, my half roll, good to go. And put a little bit more on this side because this is my skinny side. We all need one, girls, don't we? The skinny side. This bang is gonna freeze and shine. Look at that freeze and shine. Works every time. So just loose. Twist this side up because it's our skinny side. And we get to the back here. We'll just pin it up. A little pin and stop. Then we're gonna take all this hair in the back. Twist the end. And give it a roll. Put my bobby pins over here. Pin those in. I know it looks like I do it easy, because I'd be switching up my hairstyle every day. Keeping them guessing. Got my little twist up. See? It's cute. It's simple. It's easy. We did it so fast. This side looks crazy from the front. I need another pin. There we go. Smooth it out. these and shine it up. You gotta be perfect. Have your little halo twist. And it's kind of like the two twists that we have, but it doesn't look very braidy. It's just up, twisted, out of your face. It looks like I'm working at the library, but I don't care, shoot. As long as it ain't the strip club library and it's the real library, I'll look like a librarian for the day. You know how I like to keep them guessing. What are you doing this weekend? You going to the library? It's none of your business, okay? So it's Saturday. I hope everybody enjoys their weekend. If you're working, I'm sorry. I'm working too. I'm with you. And if you're not, yeah, party. Relax. Get your wine, your tequila, definitely tequila. Saturday tequila. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you like this video. I hope you try it out. Super simple. Just twist it up. Get your bobby pins, pin them up, and look cute for the day. That's all we need in our lives. 2018, we're trying to look cute, right? Sexy, cute, beautiful, done up, put together. Let's just say we're trying to look put together. If that's all we can do this year, it's gonna be a great year. I can feel it. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends. The 20 and 30 of you out there that are watching and liking my videos, thank you. Goodbye.